The future is being shaped by groundbreaking inventions you probably haven't heard of yet. From advanced robotics to eco-friendly technologies, these innovations are quietly redefining how we live, work, and connect. Beyond the headlines, visionary creators are building solutions that could transform daily life. Discover the surprising inventions that will change the world in extraordinary ways. STOCKCAM. The STOCKCAM is a gun-inspired camera cage designed to deliver stability, comfort, and a distinctive shooting experience for photographers and videographers. Featuring a gun-style hand grip with a trigger-operated shutter, it allows intuitive photo and video capture. A secure wrist strap ensures the camera stays in hand, while multiple mounting points support monitors, microphones, and lights. Protective gaskets safeguard the camera body, and a cable clamp prevents HDMI disconnections. A built-in magnetic screwdriver makes assembly and adjustments effortless. With its modular design, STOCKCAM is ideal for run-and-gun setups, long shoots, and outdoor photography, offering both functionality and rugged versatility for creative professionals. WAIKON Suit F1. The WAIKON Suit F1 is a revolutionary exoskeleton that captured global attention by winning gold at Cibathlon 2024. Its development journey is as inspiring as its performance. Engineers and researchers began with an unconventional method, creating paper mock-ups directly on the body of a paraplegic researcher, who later became the competition pilot. This hands-on design ensured a perfect fit and functionality tailored to real-world needs, combining advanced robotics, human-centered design, and relentless perseverance. The WAIKON Suit F1 stands as a testament to innovation and determination, redefining mobility and showcasing how technology can empower lives beyond limitations. Samsung FIEX Hybrid. The Samsung Flex Hybrid, unveiled by Samsung Display at CES 2023, is a groundbreaking OLED concept that combines both foldable and slidable technologies into one device. On the left side, it features foldable functionality, while the right side incorporates slidable expansion. When unfolded to the left, it transforms into a 10.5-inch screen, and with the right side extended, it expands further to a stunning 12.4-inch display. This versatility offers users an immersive viewing experience for movies, YouTube, gaming, and multitasking. With its futuristic design and innovative engineering, the Flex Hybrid sets a new standard for next-generation smart displays. SHIFTALL MUTALK. The SHIFTALL MUTALK is a unique wireless microphone designed for gamers and remote workers who want privacy and noise control. Shaped like a muzzle, it covers the lower part of the face to block surrounding sounds and prevent voice leakage during conversations. This ensures clear communication while reducing distractions in shared spaces. Ideal for gaming, online meetings, and streaming, the MUTALK creates a focused environment without disturbing others. Its ergonomic design allows comfortable wear for extended sessions. Priced at $200, this innovative device offers both functionality and discretion, making it a futuristic solution for digital communication and immersive gaming experiences. SPACETOP, the autonomous robotic kiwifruit. Harvesting and pollination is a pioneering project developed by the University of Auckland, University of Waikato, Plant and Food Research, and Robotics Plus Limited. This cutting-edge system combines artificial intelligence, robotics, and machine vision to identify, harvest, and pollinate kiwifruit with remarkable accuracy. Designed to reduce reliance on seasonal labour, the technology increases efficiency, lowers costs, and minimises fruit damage. Operating around the clock, it ensures higher yields and consistent quality while supporting sustainable farming practices. This innovation represents a major step toward the future of smart agriculture, transforming orchard management and boosting the global kiwi fruit industry. Magnetic PIXEIS. The magnetic pixels are a groundbreaking invention inspired by squid skin, designed to store and display encrypted images using magnetic fields instead of electronics. Developed by researchers Georg Lahan and Abdon Pena-Francesc, this flexible screen eliminates the need for light or power sources, making it ideal for clothing, stickers, ID badges, barcodes, and e-book readers. The display works by flipping magnetic pixels to show orange or white, creating programmable images. Public viewing is possible with a standard magnet, while private viewing requires a unique magnetic grid key. This innovative system opens new possibilities for secure, portable, and energy-free digital displays. ISEE-TRUCK. The ISEE truck introduces the world's first fully autonomous truck yard, powered by advanced AI technology. This innovative system uses a fleet of autonomous yard trucks to manage trailer and container movements with precision, enhancing efficiency, safety, and predictability in logistics. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors, machine learning, and computer vision, the trucks operate 24/7 in all conditions while seamlessly integrating with yard and warehouse management systems. Key benefits include increased throughput, reduced costs, minimized human error, and a sustainable solution for the truck driver shortage. ISEE also fosters workforce development by creating roles for managing and maintaining autonomous fleets. ARGO Frontier. The ARGO Frontier 6x6 580 2014 is a rugged amphibious off-road vehicle designed for versatility and power. Equipped with a 570 cubic centimetre Briggs & Stratton V-twin engine and CVT transmission, it delivers reliable performance with high-low ranges. Its six-wheel drive system, paired with 24-inch ARGO tyres, ensures excellent traction on any terrain. With a load capacity of 700 pounds on land and 500 pounds on water, plus a towing capacity of 1,200 pounds, it's built for work and adventure. Features include hydraulic vented disc brakes, ergonomic handlebar steering, a digital gauge cluster, and optional accessories like tracks, windshield, and brush guards. ALAKA I Technologies. The ALAKA Technologies has introduced Sky, the world's first hydrogen fuel, cell-powered air mobility solution, redefining the future of transportation. This innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing, EVTOL, aircraft combines cutting-edge design with sustainability and safety. Powered entirely by hydrogen fuel cells, Sky offers a clean, efficient, and eco-friendly alternative to traditional aviation. Its sleek, uncluttered design ensures simplicity, while its advanced technology delivers versatility for passenger travel, cargo transport, emergency response, and more. With zero carbon emissions and enhanced safety features, Sky represents a groundbreaking leap toward greener skies and smarter mobility solutions for the modern world. QUARK UITRAMARINE. The QUARK Ultramarine redefines polar exploration with its two state-of-the-art twin-engine Airbus H-145 helicopters, the most advanced in their class. Built for extreme conditions, they take adventurers deeper into the polar regions than ever before. With exclusive helicopter-supported adventure options, QUARK offers once-in-a-lifetime off-ship experiences, including alpine heli-trekking, mountain biking, alpine kayaking, heli-landing, heli-hiking, and ice sheet landings. These thrilling excursions allow guests to explore remote, untouched landscapes that few humans have ever seen, combining luxury expedition, cruising with unmatched aerial access. Ultramarine's helicopters ensure every journey goes beyond the ordinary, delivering extraordinary polar adventures that are truly unforgettable. SLEIPNIR Monster Glacier Bus. The SLEIPNIR Monster Glacier Bus takes Icelandic exploration to the next level. Built for rugged terrain, this giant bus carries you across the magnificent Langjökull Glacier with comfort and safety. Its elevated design offers sweeping views of Iceland's wild landscapes, from icy horizons to volcanic wonders. Whether travelling with friends, family, or solo, the journey promises both adventure and discovery. Guided by experts, you'll learn about glaciers, geology, and local culture while experiencing the thrill of riding one of the world's largest glacier buses. SLEIPNIR isn't just transportation, it's your ticket to an unforgettable Icelandic adventure. Snowflake Bus. ASTRIBOT S1. The Meet ASTRIBOT S1, the next-generation AI robot assistant designed to bring intelligence, agility, and precision into everyday life. Powered by advanced AI, ASTRIBOT S1 is built with exceptional dexterity and accuracy, making it capable of performing tasks with remarkable human-like efficiency. Its sleek design and intuitive interface allow seamless interaction, while its adaptability ensures it fits naturally into any environment, home, office, or industry. Whether assisting with complex operations or simple daily routines, ASTRIBOT S1 represents the future of AI robotics. Fast, reliable, and designed to feel naturally yours. The future is here, and ASTRIBOT S1 is leading the way. SKYLINE Robotics, QZMO. The SKYLINE Robotics. Osmo is revolutionizing high-rise window cleaning with advanced robotics and AI. Powered by a 6-axis KUKA industrial robot arm, Osmo combines machine learning, computer vision, and LiDAR to deliver precise adaptive cleaning in real time. Its force and ultrasonic sensors ensure safety and glass protection, while remote human supervision adds reliability. Capable of cleaning windows up to 3 times faster than traditional methods, Osmo eliminates human risk at heights, reduces costs, and guarantees consistent results. By disrupting the $40 billion window cleaning industry, SKYLINE Robotics is setting new standards in efficiency, safety, and automation for urban building maintenance. K-STER C. The K-STER C by Exail is an advanced expendable mine disposal vehicle, ROV, engineered for neutralizing modern sea mines with precision and safety. Equipped with a patented tilting head and insensitive explosive warhead, it can neutralize sea bottom, floating, and smart mines at angles from +90 degrees to -90 degrees. Its dual frequency sonar and color camera with day-night function ensure accurate navigation and targeting. Powered by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical thrusters, the K-STER C delivers exceptional maneuverability in challenging currents. With a 1-hour endurance, 300-meter depth rating, and 1,500-meter operational range, it integrates seamlessly into unmanned mine countermeasure systems for reliable naval operations.